Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. So we multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of 2x, that is about s squared. Number 3, that is about 3x. The integration of 2y, that is about y squared. Number 2, that is about 2y, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.